The Mbombela Magistrate's Court inquest into the Lily mine tragedy has found that the owners failed to do proper risk assessment as required by law. Illegal mining has also been blamed for the February 2016 collapse, which claimed the lives of Pretty Nkambule, Yvonne Mnisi and Solomon Nyirenda. Newzroom Afrika's Mweli Masilela has more.
The families of Lily mine workers Pretty Nkambule, Yvonne Mnisi and Solomon Nyirenda were in court when Magistrate Anne-Marie van der Merwe handed down her inquest judgment. She found that the trio, whose bodies remained trapped in a container underground, died on the day of the collapse in 2016.
As to whether the death was brought about by any act or omission, prima facie involving or amounting to an offence on the part of any person, I find the deaths were brought about by the omission of the employer and or mine owner and or mine management to do a proper assessment as required by Section 11 of the Mine Health and Safety Act to determine the possible hazard the Crown Pillar might have posed to the structures and employees on top of the backfill, and to assess the associated risks in connection therewith, thereby failing to put into place the necessary reasonable measures to mitigate the risk and or to regularly and effectively monitor the risk in order to contain it. In addition thereto, the failure of the South African Police Services and the Department of Minerals and Energy to assist the Lily mine management in their efforts to combat illegal mining and or to effectively and constructively address the problem of illegal mining, thereby failing their constitutional duties.
The magistrate found that the mine owners, the Mineral Resources Department, as well as the police, are also to blame.
The mining activities of the illegal miners inside the Crown Pillar had hollowed the Crown Pillar and weakened its structure. Because the weakened structure of the Crown Pillar were no longer able to withstand the forces the original solid structure was designed to withstand, the hollowed out and weakened Crown Pillar structure caved into itself and gave way. On the evidence presented to the court, the court therefore finds, with the technical assistance of the assessors, that the illegal mining activities inside the Crown Pillar were the primary cause for the collapse of the Crown Pillar.
The findings have been welcomed by the families of the deceased as well as the mine's owners.
So, sesiphuma la kule inquest la court la magistrate ashilo khona uthi mine collapse negligence mine management they are liable ngokufa kwa Yvonne Pretty Solomon.
The findings are that there was a failure to complete a risk analysis, but quite frankly we had a very professional and experienced team, and we don't think that that's the major issue here. The major issue, as you know, is that the cause of the accident has been determined to have been caused by illegal mining. The zamazamas were prevalent. It's a scourge in the entire country, certainly in Barberton, and I think the fact that we've got closure on that is very good.
McChesney says this development paves the way for the mine to reopen in the near future. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mweli, Masilela in Mbombela, Mpumalanga.